Hey guys, I purchased this smart lock, which comes with a door sensor. Today I will unbox it and I will start using it for my front door. This smart lock feels good quality. Comes with 4 AA batteries. It comes with a pair of keys. In case the batteries die, you can open the door manually. I like the idea of having physical keys. I have installed the smart lock. I am sorry I didn't record when I was installing it, but it's not complicated. It took me less than 1 hour to finish the installation. Here, I have the door open. To lock the door, I press the ULTRALOQ logo button. To open the door, I use my fingerprint, but you can also set up a passcode key, but I prefer to use the fingerprint option. Is faster than entering the passcode. Also, you can use the physical key by opening the cover of the smart lock. I really like this feature. In case the battery is dead, you can still open the door. Here I am trying the door sensor to auto-lock the door. And as you can see, sometimes the U-Bolt Pro lock is not locking the door automatically. And you need to open the U-Home app to function properly. After opening the U-Home app, the door automatically locks after closing it, and it works great. Also, you get a notification on your phone when the door is automatically closed, and as an administrator, I can open the door with my phone. When the battery is low, I get a notification on my phone, and I can replace the battery by opening the back cover of the smart lock. I have downloaded the U-Home app, and here I can change the settings for the smart lock. Here I can see all the users who have access to the smart lock. can see the log for users who opened the door. And I can open and close the door with my phone. I hope this video helps you to decide which smart lock to purchase. There are many options out there. Any questions you may have, drop them in the comments section. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.